My name is Alexandra Schaffert. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at Tampere IAS, working at the intersection of systems biology, toxicology, and data science. Since my PhD, I have been driven by two goals: protecting public health and the environment from man-made chemicals, and helping eliminate animal testing from chemical safety assessment. I came to Tampere University because I believe this is where I can grow while contributing meaningfully to these goals. Toxicology still relies heavily on animal experiments and outdated testing concepts, which often limits our mechanistic understanding of why and how a chemical causes harm. I'm helping pave the road toward a new paradigm that is data-driven and ethical, by building frameworks that predict effects across multiple biological scales, from the first molecular interaction to outcomes that matter for safety decisions. Using systems toxicology data and models, like omics and adverse outcome pathway networks, I aim to turn complex mechanistic signals into evidence that regulators can act on. My hope is that within the next decade, we can fully eliminate animal testing from chemical regulation and replace it with approaches that are more mechanistically grounded. To support a safe and sustainable future, I also want to expand how we define chemical impact, beyond toxicity alone, to include impacts on the Earth's resources, ecosystems, and society.